Hello friends, in this video we're going to discuss cloud storage. Now we're going to demonstrate that inside the GCP console and with this option of cloud storage buckets. So yeah, you land on this page. These are existing storage buckets which are already present in my account. Click on create over here. Take you to the wizard for creating a new bucket. A bucket name always has to be unique across its entire ecosystem. So if I use something like demo, what I will say expecting an error. So try to make it a little unique. Alright, so just added a few things. Now you get a choice of where you want your bucket. So starting with multi-region, which replicates three copies across three different regions in the same continent. So you have US, Europe, or Asia to select from. This gives you maximum availability, but also comes with a higher cost, right? So this is one option that we have useful when your content is being accessed across the globe. You go for dual region for better availability and more optimized pricing. You have continents to select from, and then if you select Asia Pacific, I can choose which locations if I want. If I'm doing it for India, I would probably prefer Mumbai and Delhi for it. This would be my cost chain. Now, ultimately, we have the most economical option, that is region, where you can choose to keep it in a single location. Of course, same three copies talked about earlier. It's going to be there in same region, but across three data sets or three zones in. Now, next, I'm going to ask you to select a storage class. Now, based on the how hot the data is, how frequently it's accessed, there are different storage classes to opt for. We'll talk about this in length in the next video. You can also choose to auto rotate between classes in case you don't know the storage consumption pattern. Auto class will verify based on the API activities and try to keep your data. We'll talk more in this in the next video. Keep it standard for now. Now, next, what's going to ask you for is what type of access control you want to have. So there are two options. Either you go uniform that comes in from IAM service or fine grained where you can assign privilege per file case. I'm going to keep it, let's keep it fine grained for now. Just show it to you how it looks like. Next, you choose for object versioning. There are two options over here. So first option is for recovery. So in case you've deleted or overwritten the file, you can still get back the old file. So that's your recovery option. Already you can go with compliance wherein certain time frame block is built on it so that people don't exploit and delete things without your so breaking the compliance part. So it's kind of an enforcement on it. I'll just click on create. Right, confirm this. My bucket will get created. Alright guys, in the next video we'll talk more about different storage class. If you have liked the video, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more knowledgeable content. Have a great day ahead. Bye.